focus and remain grounded just because of the way he handled the situation. Now I'm talking about David. He preserved his credibility when he eventually led, when he eventually became king. Divine family, allow me to tell you this. You know, if you are going to be somebody in future, the enemy knows it. And he goes ahead of you and push a certain narrative about you, tarnish your reputation, and he makes sure ukuthi abantu bayakuvukela and be against you so that you may act out of character. But refuse, child of God. Refuse. Stay in prayer, stay in God, and he will direct you accordingly. In corporate and institutional environments, survival requires strategy.